Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Pax.
And this week is Māori Language Week. So what we thought
And
we'd
Kaha, hey, great start, Korua. Love the energy.
Cool.
But you're not reading the script that I wrote. I need you to say kia ora, and this week is Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori.
It's just like we're not Māori.
Yeah.
Like I'm Filipino, that's Asian, that's not Māori.
Yeah. I'm Iranian, Pakistani.
Yeah, I know, you don't have to whisper.
Oh.
That's why we got you guys. Because we're trying to encourage everybody to give it a go.
All right.
Yeah. Kia kaha.
Sweet.
All right,
Yeah.
let's do it.
I don't want to do it. Let's just do it.
And action.
Kia ora, I'm James.
And I'm Pax.
And this week is Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori.
And the kaupapa for this week is Kia Kaha Te Reo Māori.
Cut.
How's that?
That was good, right?
Yeah, it felt good. You sounded great, bro.
Thank you, man.
I don't know, we're worried.
Yeah, I felt like Maui was with me. Hey, man, are you okay?
He's still.
Do you want to go again, or?
I don't know if he's fine.
Where's he going?
He seems quite upset.
Pai korua, kia kaha tonu.
Cheers, bro.
Kia ora, bro.
Me haere ki te kai.
Hi, bro. Haere tātou.